I recently came back from a canoe trip with some friends and I had an awesome time. I even love my newest piece of kit, which is a bear barrel by Recreational Barrel Works. In there I have my spice pocket and it's full of, well, heavy stuff. One of them was the pepper grinder. 166 grams for some fresh ground pepper is a bit much when you're on a weight diet. So what I did is found a new pepper grinder in the supermarket with a plastic grinder. The plan is to do away with the glass bottle and 3D print my own and add that to the existing plastic grinder. So to do that, I tried some threads in Fusion, see if I could 3D print them. So this is a really simple, quick print with only the threaded part to see if it fits, and I think I'll need 2 or 3 or 4 tries. So this is M40 by 3 threads, and to my big surprise, it fitted in one go. This never ever happens on a project like this, but it's nice. With that part finished, we can now design the bottle of the pepper grinder. I want some nice and sturdy grip on there, and I just want to take around 20 grams of pepper, which would be nice for a nice pasta carbonara while on the trail or canoeing. So I'm once again printing. This is my Ender 5 3D printer. I bought it this year and it has served me very well so far, and I really love doing projects like these. Camping for me is a lot of fun to be on the outside, but it's also fun when you're inside. You're tinkering with these little projects, having my spice rack, having all these bottles from AliExpress with all the spices in them, but still being able to do it light. And now having a lightweight pepper grinder, which is also a very nice addition to the kit. As you can see, the grinder assembles, it's really easy. And now it's time to do some cooking and do some actual demonstration. So it's a bit awkward to hold at first because it's smaller and you're usually used to a bigger pepper grinder, but it works fine. And look at this. I hope you guys have eaten already, because otherwise you'll be hungry. This is a nice toasty that I made. It's just fun to have projects like these. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I hope you guys also tinker on your stuff, that you can get outside and do some camping. Well, bon appetit and see you on the next video. Bye!